This is the if experiment. Change one rule. Watch humanity adapt. What if money disappeared? No prices, no salaries, no numbers telling us what things are worth. Would society finally become fairer? Or would values simply find another way to divide us? Let's define the experiment carefully. Resources don't become infinite. People don't become generous saints. Work still requires effort. Scarcity still exists. The only thing that disappears is money as a system of exchange. No currency, no pricing, no accumulation through numbers. Human desires stay exactly the same. At first, daily life feels confusing. Without prices, decisions slow down. People can't instantly compare value. A meal isn't cheap or expensive. A job isn't high paying or low paying. Choices become qualitative. Is this useful? Is this meaningful? Is this worth my time? Freedom increases, but so does uncertainty. Without money, exchange doesn't stop. It changes form. Skills matter more, reputation matters more, reliability becomes currency. People start trading trust. Who shows up, who contributes, who follows through. Value shifts from ownership to usefulness. Work doesn't disappear, but motivation fractures. Some people work for purpose, some for recognition, some for belonging, others struggle. Without monetary reward, effort must be justified internally. Not everyone finds meaning the same way. Productivity doesn't collapse, but it becomes uneven. Money once hid inequality behind numbers. Without it, inequality becomes visible. Those with rare skills gain influence. Those with strong social networks gain access. Those who communicate well gain advantage. Power doesn't disappear. It just stops pretending to be neutral. Psychologically, money did something important. It simplified worth. Without it, people must constantly negotiate value. What matters more? Effort, impact, or intention? Disagreements increase, not because people are worse, but because value is no longer standardized. This experiment isn't really about money, it's about measurement. Money allowed society to avoid difficult conversations about worth. Without it, we must ask harder questions. Who deserves what and why? So what do you think? If money disappeared, would society become more human? Or would we simply replace numbers with something even harder to escape? This was one experiment. The next one changes a different rule. If you enjoyed exploring how small changes reshape everyday life, like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the If Experiment for more thought-provoking scenarios.